Welcome back once again, folks. We have once again reached that time of year where the nice days aren't nearly as abundant, and the days that we do get are getting shorter by the day. So we decided that we would enjoy this beautiful day that we had, albeit a bit chilly at first, by jumping on the bikes and riding in traffic. This here is just about taking the opportunities as they present themselves. We had a day to spend, we didn't really have any plans, and we spent the entire day on the bikes, and it was a blast. I haven't kept up with YouTube that much this year. That doesn't mean I haven't been filming. I've been quite busy this year in the summer, and I do have a backlog of footage I need to work my way through. So in the coming months, you will be seeing more out of me here. I have kept up with Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, jump over to Instagram and follow me there, Explore Adventure Moto. It's got a new sticker. Scamandia EMS and Rescue. Catching her dancing on camera. Now she's looking for her keys.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you've been down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, cause I just wanna shout. Don't make me dance to a tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see your shortcomings. You'll be running when I raise the black flag. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing.
Come here.
Buddy.
Squirrel Whisperer. Steve Irwin, eat your heart out.
I'm so cold. Oh my god, you're gonna get a 360? You're stupid. Ta-da!
Where are you putting the fries? You're witnessing magic right here. Trying to fit all this food into this tiny little box.
Documenting the important shit.
Still don't have the helmet audio hooked up, so I gotta do my talking before we start moving. And I'll just narrate or something. Whatever.